Hey guys, with the 2025 and 2026 snowboard season about ready to start in a couple weeks, the IKON Passes began arriving in the mail. Let's check out this new package and see what we got. Okay, it looks like some cool cardstock with some great looking artwork. A mountain of joy is here. All right, another vinyl sticker, of course. Looks like we got a cool keychain with some similar artwork that's on the cardstock. IKON Pass branding on the inside, and the outside looks like maybe glacier or topography. Here's the detail and design on the new vinyl sticker. There's also another vinyl sticker in here. It looks like it's a glacier design. And here's what the new 2025-2026 IKON Pass looks like. Same similar mountain artwork. And instead of enjoy the ride, it's joy the ride. So the back side of it looks like very cool looking. All right, just a couple weeks away and this season will begin. Thanks for watching. Have a blast.